That was very disappointing. The only thing we take out of tonight is we're still in the 8.
It seemed like early in the second half we really regained that momentum and were pushing hard. What fell apart from that point on?
Not sure. Thought we grabbed the momentum there. Had a good scrum. Just lost our way. I think got to have a good look at ourselves. Can't be the team that played the Brumbies last week and then can't be the team that came out tonight. So, but as I said, as it would be, we're still in the 8, so the year is in front of us still. We've probably got to lick our wounds tonight, and some serious wounds to lick, and we'll find out. We'll find out how good we are at the resilience that we keep talking about having. We'll find out about that over the next 24 hours.
Defensively tonight seemed like lots of missed tackles and kind of like even the formation at times seemed off. How, just in terms of how you assess that, what do you think happened in that aspect?
We'll look at it. I think there was a couple of times there we got caught jamming in and lost the guy out the back. We'll have a look at it again. But it starts with attitude. You know, I think if you get off the line and come hard and don't allow the opposition to play the rugby that they like to play, that's when you're probably going to do well. And tonight we just gave the force too much room.
And how did you handle tonight as a coach in terms of, did you give the guys a rocket in the rooms or?
No, it's not a rocket. It was just that what we wanted to do was to say, look, you know, we looked around the room and we had plenty more to give. That was the positive that we took, was we had so much more to give. You know, and I think that was what we tried to do when we came out in the second half.
And just from a player's perspective, in your eyes, what went wrong tonight?
Gotta go back and look at ourselves, as I said. As you said, we gained the momentum, and once we lost it again, I'm not sure what went wrong. But we'll go have a look and learn from our mistakes and come out again next week.
To concede 6 tries, how much does that hurt?
That's a lot. Quite ashamed we got that much scored against us. I know we're a better team than that, and we just have to learn now and move on. It's done.
It was a second game of a road trip for you guys. Did you feel like maybe that played a bit of a factor, maybe felt a bit fatigued towards the end?
No. We got here early, here on Monday, on Sunday night I think. Been here the week, didn't play any roles. We were just off today and just have to learn to flick that switch and turn on and keep going.
Mick, you mentioned you're still in the 8. How do you go about trying to get the guys' confidence back up there, just because there's still all in front of you to play for?
Yeah, look, I think we couldn't have had a better week here. You know, we trained well. We were looked after. The hotel's been great. Training field's been great. Netherlands Rugby looked after us. Came out here and had a great captain's run, and then that's what happened tonight. So it's got to be in each and every player to take on board the disappointment they'll have tonight, and find a way to get on the plane tomorrow and get back home to Fiji and be ready for the Reds, because they'll be coming hard after us, and we have to be ready for that. You know, and some of our players are going to have to find a way. They may not have felt like this before, but they're just going to have to find a way. They're big men, and now it's time the rubber hits the road. We're in our 3rd season. We're in the 8. We're on the cusp of finals, and we'll find out now what it means to all our players. It's a good challenge for them, and it's part of their learning and part of their growth. But we'll find out. We'll find out a lot about ourselves over the next 24 hours.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.